Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll be doing pedicure. So if you have a cracked heels or rough feet, this video is definitely for you. Okay, so let's do this. So in that bucket I have cold water. I'll go ahead and pour in some amount of hot water to make the water very warm, to make it warm, not hot but warm. So after that I'll go ahead and put some drops of apple cider vinegar. The person I'll be doing the pedicure on is my husband, and right there, that little man there is my baby boy. So I'm adding apple cider vinegar to the water because this will help to kill any bacteria in that water or on my client feet, if I should say so. So after that, the next thing I will add is hair conditioner, and this is the hair conditioner I'll be using. I'll go ahead and add some amount of it into the water. I'm adding the hair conditioner because it will help to soften his feet. It will help to, all the dryness and the crack heels, it will help to soften them so that it will be very easy for me to scrub. Right now, I'll go ahead and add some drops of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is an antifungal oil. It has antifungal property and the antibacterial property. So I added some to help kill any kind of foot fungus or bacteria. Yes. So after that, I'll go ahead and dip his feet into the water. So now I'll leave his feet in the water for some minutes. After some minutes, I'll proceed with the scrubbing. So guys, this treatment is very necessary. Yes, right now I am giving you guys an expo. If you don't have money to buy any Valentine gift for your loved ones, this is what you can gift them. Your husband or your wife, if you don't have money to buy any gift for them, this right here supersedes any gift you can buy for them. Just give them this treat and they will appreciate it. Yes, don't say I've not said, don't say I didn't tell you. Now I'm giving you an expo. Do this for your husband, do this for your wife, and they will appreciate it, okay? For those of us that doesn't have money to buy any Valentine gift, here is an option. This is an option. You can give your loved one this treat and they will appreciate it. And also, this is the best way you can bond with your loved ones. See, why doing this for my husband? Oh my goodness, I laughed all through. I was just laughing because he was gisting me. I was doing this and I didn't even realize I was doing something. So we were laughing all through. Like I said, it's very nice. Is the best way to bond with your loved ones. So right now I am scrubbing the feet because it has softened. So I'll go ahead and scrub off all the dry and the cracked heels he had. So as I'll be scrubbing, I'll also need nail cutter. Here I'm using nail cutter to trim his nails. So once that is done, I'll go ahead and still dip his feet into the water. So guys, let me know in the comment section, if someone gives you this kind of treat as a Valentine gift, will you accept it or not? Let's be sincere, be honest. Let me know in the comment section, will you accept it or not? This is my own Valentine gift to my husband. This is my own Valentine gift. So you can do the same if you don't have money to buy any gift. Okay, let me know in the comment section if you would appreciate this kind of in place of Valentine gift. So let me know. Now I'll go ahead and continue with the scrubbing. As you can see, I was just laughing like what I don't know. I enjoyed doing this. Honestly, I must say I enjoyed doing this. So after scrubbing, I'll go ahead and change the water. I'm done scrubbing. So right now I'll go ahead and change this water, and here I have a clean water with me. So I'll go ahead and dip his feet into this clean water. Right now in this water I don't have anything in it. It's just a plain water. I'll go ahead and scrub the feet for one more time. Right now, as I'm scrubbing, I couldn't scrub out any how do I say it? I couldn't scrub out anything because that shows that I've scrubbed out all that I needed to scrub out. If that makes sense. If that makes sense. So I'm done scrubbing. The next thing I will do is to clean his feet. After cleaning his feet in the water, I will take out the feet and proceed with the next thing. As you all can see, look at the way his feet is looking. Look at the way they are looking right now. So fresh. See, after giving yourself this treat, your feet will be looking like that of a newborn baby. Yeah. So right now, I'll go ahead and take some Vaseline and vitamin E oil. I'll go ahead and mix both of them together and apply it on his feet. This will help to keep his feet moisturized. It will help to keep his feet fresh. It will help to keep it moisturized, so his feet is not going to crack anytime soon. Yes, it's not going to crack anytime soon. This will help to protect his feet. Okay, so after applying this on his feet, I'll go ahead and put on stockings. Yes, then we are done, guys. Did you see the way his feet is looking like? Come on, guys. Did you see? I did a nice job here. So who wouldn't accept this as a Valentine treat, as a Valentine gift? Who wouldn't accept this? Tell me. So, guys, that is it. I'll go ahead and put on stockings and we are done. Please, if you enjoyed watching this video, kindly give me a thumbs up. Don't be stingy with your thumbs up. Don't be stingy with your likes, please. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Comment on this video and share this video. I am begging you guys, share this video. I am begging. So, once I'm done putting on the stockings, we are done, guys. So this is how you can do your own pedicure at home. Yes, this is how you can do your own pedicure at home. So if you enjoyed, please like and share. I will see you all in my next one. Bye.